taken 3 shots, all of them perimeter jumpers. And I know for Karl-Anthony Towns to take that next step, it's going to have to be some post play.
It rims in for Kyrie Irving. Long rebound to Irving. Nets up the floor in a hurry. Irving attack mode for 2.
There is nothing that young man cannot do in transition.
Let's report what I see. Irving, off the hesitation, squeezes inside for the impressive deuce.
That can take a game, it can take a half, it can take a couple of games.
Irving, off the spin, ball fake, big shot is good. Kyrie Irving.
Like, that's an uncontested shot that he just happened to airball.
Minnesota had made 8 straight. Irving! Sizzling! 2 field goal attempts. Irving. Nice move, slicing to the rim as he took it right into the chest. 56-39 Minnesota. Irving breaks free. Oh! The spin master! +1. Crosses over on Allen. And a step in by LeVert to steal. Harris right now is 1-on-2 waiting for his teammates. Kyrie Irving, deep 3. Got it! Kyrie from way downtown. Nets trying to go in front. Irving handles, fade away, got it! Timberwolves. Irving, off the hesitation, goes to the left hand. Kyrie Irving, the magic man. LeVert, the drive, the cutter, Kyrie Irving scores on the interior.
Well, and that's the flip side of things. Speaking of Wiggins.
Great catch and great left-hand finish.
Nets with a chance to tie or take the lead. Irving for the lead. Oh, yeah! Splash! Kyrie Irving! Irving on a switch. He's got Grant. Irving. Oh, no! Oh, yes! Harris tosses in for Irving. Nets are down by 2. Irving. The blow by Kyrie Irving. Irving at 3. He knew he missed it. Prince guides the ball. Back for Irving. Kyrie Irving buries it. A dazzling debut. Kyrie Irving has become the 7th net to score 50 points.